Best Pickleball Paddles. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at some of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. MTEN Fiberglass Paddle. The SLK Halo Pickleball paddles by Selkirk are premium paddles designed to deliver a superior playing experience, catering to both recreational and professional players. These paddles are crafted with carbon fiber technology and feature a RevCore power polymer core, which ensures optimal power, precision, and control. The construction strikes a balance between spin generation and consistency, making it ideal for players who value finesse and accuracy alongside power. The Halo Pro and Halo Control models cater to different playing styles. The Halo Pro focuses on enhancing power and spin, making it suitable for aggressive players who rely on impactful shots to dominate the game. On the other hand, the Halo Control emphasizes precision and touch, giving players the ability to execute accurate shots with finesse, making it an excellent choice for those who prioritize control over raw power. The carbon fiber surface provides a textured feel, enhancing the paddle's spin potential and giving players an edge in competitive gameplay. Its lightweight design ensures maneuverability and comfort during prolonged matches, while the advanced materials contribute to its durability. The RevCore Power Polymer Core enhances the paddle's responsiveness, ensuring consistent performance across various shot types. This innovative core technology minimizes vibration, providing a comfortable feel and reducing arm fatigue. Overall, the SLK Halo Pickleball paddles are a versatile choice for players seeking a paddle that delivers a blend of spin, power, and control. Whether opting for the Halo Pro for power or the Halo Control for finesse, players can expect top-tier performance and reliable quality, making these paddles a solid investment for elevating their pickleball game. Number 2. Selkirk Latitude. This pickleball paddles set is a versatile and user-friendly option designed for players of all skill levels, from beginners to seasoned enthusiasts. The paddles feature a fiberglass surface, which offers a balanced blend of power and control, ensuring a responsive feel with every shot. The USAPA approval guarantees that these paddles meet the standards for official tournament play, making them suitable for both casual games and competitive matches. The set typically includes 2 lightweight paddles, making it perfect for singles or doubles play, along with accessories such as pickleballs and a carrying bag, ensuring convenience and portability. The fiberglass face enhances shot accuracy and provides excellent spin potential, while the polypropylene honeycomb core minimizes vibrations for a comfortable grip and reduced arm fatigue during extended matches. Designed for both men and women, these paddles have a balanced weight and ergonomic handle for improved maneuverability and comfort. The durable construction ensures they withstand intense gameplay while maintaining consistent performance over time. This set is ideal for those looking for an affordable yet reliable introduction to pickleball or for players seeking durable equipment that performs well in various playstyles. Whether for recreational matches or serious practice sessions, the combination of a fiberglass surface, lightweight design, and USAPA certification makes this set a practical and enjoyable choice for pickleball enthusiasts. Number 3. Onix Z5 Graphite. The Selkirk SLK Latitude Pickleball Bundle is an all-in-one package designed for players seeking quality equipment to elevate their game. The bundle includes 2 paddles, 3 pickleballs, and 1 carrying bag, making it ideal for beginners and intermediate players or for casual games with friends and family. The standout feature of the paddles is their G4 graphite face, which provides a smooth and responsive surface for enhanced control and precision. This surface works in tandem with the polymer RevCore, offering a balanced combination of power and finesse. The core minimizes vibrations, ensuring comfort and reducing arm fatigue during extended play sessions, while also delivering consistent performance on various shots. These paddles are lightweight, promoting easy maneuverability and faster reaction times, making them suitable for both quick volleys and strategic baseline play. The ergonomic grip ensures a secure and comfortable hold, catering to players of all hand sizes and enhancing control throughout the game. The bundle also includes 3 durable pickleballs, designed to perform well on different playing surfaces. The carrying bag is compact and convenient, offering an easy way to transport and store the paddles and balls. This bundle is a great value for anyone looking to get started with pickleball or to upgrade their current gear. With its high-quality materials, user-friendly design, and thoughtful inclusions, the Selkirk Latitude Pickleball Bundle provides everything needed for an enjoyable and competitive pickleball experience. Number 4. Paddletek Bantam TS5. The Onix Graphite Mod Z5 Pickleball Paddle is a premium paddle designed for players who value precision, power, and comfort. Its standout feature is the graphite carbon fiber face, which provides a lightweight yet highly responsive surface, ideal for accurate shots and enhanced spin potential. This paddle is tailored for players who require quick maneuverability and consistent performance during fast-paced gameplay. The cushion comfort grip ensures a secure and comfortable hold, reducing hand fatigue and improving control during extended matches. The grip's ergonomic design accommodates players of all hand sizes, making it versatile and user-friendly. The paddle is built with a Nomix honeycomb core, known for its durability and excellent power transfer. This core enhances the paddle's responsiveness, offering a perfect balance between control and power. The wide body shape provides a larger sweet spot, making it forgiving and suitable for both beginner and advanced players. Weighing in at an optimal range, the Onix Mod Z5 is light enough for quick volleys and agile plays, yet substantial enough to generate power for strong smashes. Its design caters to a variety of playstyles, from defensive finesse to aggressive offense. Overall, the Onix Graphite Mod Z5 paddle is a versatile and high-performing choice, blending cutting-edge materials and thoughtful design. It's ideal for players seeking a paddle that delivers exceptional spin, power, and control while maintaining comfort and durability throughout the game. Whether you're new to pickleball or an experienced competitor, this paddle offers a reliable and enjoyable playing experience. Number 5. Joola Essential Pickleball. The Joola Essentials Pickleball paddles are a reliable and well-rounded option, designed to cater to players of all levels. These paddles feature a reinforced fiberglass surface, which enhances power and provides a responsive feel, allowing players to deliver precise and controlled shots with ease. The textured surface also improves spin potential, giving players a tactical edge during gameplay. The paddles are equipped with a honeycomb polypropylene core, offering excellent durability and consistent performance. This core minimizes vibrations, ensuring a comfortable grip and reducing arm fatigue, making it ideal for extended play sessions. The lightweight design further improves maneuverability, allowing for quick reactions and effortless handling during fast-paced matches. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable and secure grip, accommodating players of varying hand sizes. With a well-balanced design, these paddles offer a versatile mix of power and control, making them suitable for both offensive and defensive playstyles. Affordable yet high-performing, the Joola Essentials Pickleball paddles are perfect for beginners looking to start with quality equipment or intermediate players seeking an upgrade. The combination of a durable fiberglass surface, a dependable honeycomb core, and thoughtful design ensures a satisfying and enjoyable playing experience. Whether you're playing for fun or aiming to improve your skills, the Joola Essentials paddles deliver consistent performance, durability, and value, making them a solid choice for pickleball enthusiasts.